it's your girl, Cosmics Wonderland. Today's video is a makeup video. I created this makeup look last week. And honestly, I was in such a rush that morning. I didn't have time to record myself doing my makeup. I knew it would fill up my camera. This girl had places to be that day. And I also recorded 2 other YouTube videos that morning. So I was like, I'm gonna just do my makeup and get it done. That way I can move on to my other projects. So I was like, I'm still gonna take pictures and stuff. And I posted those pictures on my Instagram, and to my surprise, it got so much love. This makeup look that I'm recreating today for you guys on my channel was highly requested, highly demanded by you guys. Specifically, these individuals who I'm gonna post their Instagrams right here. I was not expecting it to get as much love as it did. There was just comment after comment after comment on my Instagram. This is a makeup look that I didn't think was gonna take off or connect with you guys as much as it did, but it did, and you guys fell in love with it. Like, I've never felt so much love from a simple makeup look that, like, I want to thank you guys so much. This intro is really, really long, but I wanted to show love to you guys for showing love back, and I told you, Jordan, told you specifically, I let you know I would make the video because you wanted it. So, you guys wanted to see how I did this makeup look, and here it is. I'm fulfilling your wishes. You guys asked for it, and so here it is. Thank you guys so much. You asked for this makeup look? Let's do this. I know what I did wrong. Forgive me, I'm trying to figure out how I created that look in the first place. Got started, realized, oopsies, made a boo-boo, so gotta go back, grab my concealer and carve out my eye in order for the shimmer to really pop. So bear with me, we're gonna rewind and then fast forward a little. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes. I'm not gonna do top liner, no liquid eyeliner today. I just did these eyes and now we're going to apply lashes, and that's how I get the look that everyone's been asking for. Well, okay, so like you people, but still, like everyone's been asking for. These are my favorite lashes right now. They're so flattering. I get mine at Walmart for around $9. I love these so much. And yeah, let's go ahead and put these on. Hey everyone, so I got my eyes almost done. I finished everything else. Now what I need to do is go back and touch up the eyes. You guys know I'm trying to recreate this look. And I did a really good job. However, the lashes didn't set as even. So I am going to have to use liquid eyeliner. I didn't use that with the original look that's all over Instagram that you guys were going crazy over, which thank you so much. I got so much love on my Instagram from that one makeup look. It blew my mind. Like, I wasn't expecting for it to be a big deal. But you guys asked for this look to be recreated in a video, so you guys know how to do it. I've tried my best to recreate the look. It is a little bit different, but not too bad. The only difference is I'm having to use top liner, and like the eyes may have come out like just a little bit different, but it's been about a week since I did that makeup look. So I did my very best. Ooh, that looks nice. I don't want to get too overzealous. I'm going to go ahead and touch up my highlight. I always do my highlight before and then again at the very end, because whenever I set my makeup, the powders that I use tend to dull my highlight. So I like to go back up and just spruce her up. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm sitting down watching Glam and Gore. I just subscribed to her YouTube channel today, this morning. Actually, before I got started today. But this is the first time I'm seeing this video of hers. And now I'm realizing this is a ripoff. It is a knockoff for Kat Von D. I did not know that. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you this, and I'm gonna show you this. Like, you will see it. This is obviously not Kat Von D. It's You Can Be. You Can Be Kat Von D. It's a ripoff for this palette.
This Alchemist holographic palette from Kat Von D. It's got a lot of pastels, actually. I also have this Alchemist holographic palette from Kat Von D. And I'm going to take this purple one.
Look where the purple is. It's in the middle.
In the inner corner.
Green, blue, purple, pink. And these are all like pasteled highlights. Like, look at this. I love it even more now that I can tell you guys however much that one cost. I got mine for like $6. Kat Von D is expensive, and so like just look at this. If you like the Kat Von D, like she does, like oh my gosh, she's got to get this. You can be. You can be Kat Von D. You can be a copycat, and you're much cheaper. Also, it doesn't come with unicorn stickers. I put those on myself. I just had to throw that in. Oh, what lip gloss did I use? Let me go check the picture and let me see if I can figure it out. I'm pretty sure I know which one it is. I only have 2 or 3 right now. Hold on, I'll be right back and we'll do the lips. So the lip gloss I used the original time I did that makeup is one of these 2. This one's kind of more gold and it's more sticky feeling, more tacky-ish. I don't remember feeling like that, so I'm thinking that it's this one. It's super, super moisturizing. I'm pretty sure this is the lip gloss I used. It's Essence XXXL Shine lip gloss. I get mine at Ulta, and I'm sorry, I had chapped lips and I picked it, and like, you can't put concealer on your lips. I mean, like, I guess you could, but anyway, so deal with that. Really cute. Really nice. I like it. I like the shimmer. I like the feel of it on my lips. This is a good lip gloss. It's a Nude Kiss number 22. It's the same lip gloss I use a lot. I like it. Yeah. I'm still mind blown all the way to the outro. Hey, all the way to the outro. I'm still mind blown at how much love this makeup look got. It's Pride Month, and Pride doesn't just mean sexuality. It means so much more than that. It means spreading love, spreading positivity and acceptance and appreciation, and letting your creativity just blossom. Being you. Thank you so much if you were one of the ones that gave your girl Cosmix Wonderland love on Instagram. You're responsible for this video being created. Yes, it took me a week to get to it, but I did it, and I did it for you guys. It didn't turn out as easy as the first time, which is weird because normally a makeup look turns out better the second time. But I used a bunch of products the first look that was in the Instagram pictures, and I used a bunch of eyeshadows that I had never used before. And I was sick of looking at them in the palette going, why can't that go on my face? You know, when you're like, oh, that color won't look good on me, and like, you tell yourself like, nah. Well, I finally did it, and I put the colors together, and I should have done it sooner because you guys ate it up like hotcakes. And restore faith in humanity. Leave a positive comment as my arms jiggle. Woo! Woo! No hate here. I'm gonna get a thumbs down for this. Leave a comment down below. Leave a positive comment saying what you think of this makeup look, or just saying something nice for the day. And let's spread positivity, just love and awesomeness. Let's continue to spread that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay fantabulous, and as always, I will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye!